Yo, what's happening? It's your boy Ernest Mampana, and I'm back with another video, man. This video today is all about my journey throughout the entire week, how I had my trades, and how did I manage to lose most of my trades. Because in most cases we find people talking about how they manage to make a certain amount of money, but then they really don't tell you the bad side of the forex industry. This week I found myself losing some trades, of which I'm going to explain exactly where did I expect the entries and what went south. So I found myself losing, and I felt like, you know what, it's been long ever since I made a video. I've been pushing on the other things, I've been analyzing the market, I've been making sure that the course is updated, I've been making sure that people are getting necessary information that they want, especially in the mentorship program. So yeah, man, we've been busy on some other things, and at the same time we've been lazy because we had some time where we were like, okay, now we can focus on making videos at least, or even to drop a video. Because I remember I had a video that I've scheduled for last Sunday, but then I couldn't create a thumbnail for that video, so I just had to leave it and I didn't even upload the video. Now I remember now on Thursday that, oh, I have a video that I was supposed to be dropping on Sunday, but then now it's Thursday, so the video is no longer that valuable, so I will just leave it like that. So yeah, I realized that I've been lazy. Instead, I could have made a lot of videos, I could have made a lot of thumbnails, I could have uploaded more, I could have been a lot more consistent. In this coming week, I do hope to be very much consistent than ever before. So the purpose of this video today is I'm going to show you the losses that I took alongside the entire week, and also the wins that I
will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in my hole is like a movie. I knew it and I did it.
Before we continue with this video, if you're new to this channel, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. And to my regular subscribers, can you please like the video and also comment down your thoughts, the videos that you will also want to see in this channel. Right here we have a GBP USD opened, and I remember I gave out a signal to the upside because I've been seeing the market bouncing in this area right here, and then the market was somewhere right here, and I was like, you know what, let us buy, because I also saw this move which it shows that the market has lost its momentum to the downside, is now kind of like reversing, so that's why I have this trend line right here. Let me just switch to a smaller time frame. So in a smaller time frame, I saw this move right here. I saw this kind of a move right here where it was like kind of like failing to go down. So I was like, you know what, let us buy GBP USD. We bought GBP USD. I remember I got in somewhere right here, and then it kept on pushing. It kept on pushing, kept on pushing. Patiently we were waiting. I think it was on a Monday, if not Tuesday. So we were waiting, and the unfortunate part was that the market didn't gain enough momentum to the upside, and then it dropped with us. It dropped right here, got us on a stop loss right there. So yeah, like I was satisfied with the loss, that okay, we took a loss. Anyway, we took a loss. It was the first trade, and we just have to deal with it. We still have like 4 days in the week, so probably we might recover this loss right here. So that was the first pair that we took, and yeah, man, we lost. As you can see, we just hit the stop loss right there. Right here is the structure of Nasdaq that we took, and yeah, Nasdaq was just here, created a new higher high, and then it kept on bouncing right here, bouncing. So I felt like, okay, now is the right time. If the market can break this level right here, it confirms that the market is going down. And I had this structure right here. This is my structure right here. So I had this structure right here, and also have this outer structure right here. So my first target was exactly at this point, and then my last point was somewhere right here. If that's not the case, then the market will break, retest, and then continue going down. That was my thoughts. So what happened is this: we let the market run, and I was like, you know what, if the market now comes here, reject, goes up here, I'm willing to enter again right here. So I did send out a signal on a sell, but because it was roughly around 3:30, I didn't even give the take profit. I was like, okay, here's the stop loss, take profit is open. So what happened is that the market shut down, as you can see right here. Let me just switch to a smaller time frame. It shut down. I remember it shut down and then went back up again with this candlestick right here, and then continue going back down. I also forgot about this trade, and then it ended up somewhere right here. That's when I was like, oh, the market just broke this trend line right here, so let me just take my profits. I remember sharing the message to my groups like, okay, you can take the profits. I hope we all ate on Nasdaq. So this was the first trade that we won throughout the week. Now with that trade, I was so certain that now we are back and now we are going to do things like the right way. Okay, we just gained that energy, you know, that energy that is needed throughout the week, that the winning spirit. We're like, yeah, now we are on within the winning spirit. Now let's continue to kill the market. Now we sent a signal for AUD USD. So what happened to AUD USD is this. We saw this move right here, as you can see right here. We saw this move right here, and right here it was the analysis that I've been doing, and currently the market was somewhere right here. I was like, okay, let us now sell AUD USD. So it went down, went up, and we forgot about this because the movement was too slow. As you can see, these candlesticks right here, they are not that much impulsive, so the movement was too slow. I forgot about this and we jumped to gold. So what happened here, we said let us buy gold, but at this point we said we're going to buy gold at this point right here, because I saw this move to the upside correction. Now I was aiming to go up again. Since ever I have this gold position held for months, and it just took me out on a stop loss. I was like, okay, let us continue buying, you know. So we set a pending order, of which it was never triggered. The market just shot down. The next trade that we took was US30. Now this is where I actually lost. I thought like maybe I'm dreaming. I thought, okay, maybe this is not happening to me. I really, like, everything happened too quick. It really tested my emotions. Like, my emotions were all over the place with this pair right here. All right, at first I saw this head and shoulder right here, and I wanted to go in somewhere right here, but because I was not in, I couldn't just take this trade, and I couldn't send the signal, so we missed this trade as a head and shoulder. It was a beautiful head and shoulder. We could have made money to the downside. However, I started seeing the market ranging at this point right here, and remember, this is one of the major support zone. So at the major support zone and seeing the market ranging like that, I was aiming for the market now to reverse and continue going up, as this market is a bullish market. And that's one thing I want to share. No matter the market is this pair is a bullish market or not, you shouldn't be stereotyped into one direction. You should also look for other possibilities, because if you're going to constantly keep on looking for buying opportunities, the selling opportunities will hurt you, as they come impulsively rather than the buying moves. So we went in somewhere right here, and within that didn't even take a long, I guess it didn't even take like 30 minutes or 2 hours. Let me just say 2 hours. In a maximum of 2 hours we were out. I was 100% sure that there are news that coming of it was FOMC. That was on Wednesday. So on Wednesday we had FOMC, which it pushed Nasdaq, both Nasdaq and US30 to the downside. On a bigger time frame, you can see I have this channel, this expanding channel right here, and when you zoom out, you will notice that we just broke out right here. And although we broke out impulsively, I was waiting for a move to the upside to retest at these zones again before we can confirm that now this market is shooting down. Although I was looking for a retest, I started to see the market creating this type of a structure right here, of which is a triangle structure right here. So I was like, okay, let us sell US30, given the fact of this candlestick right here, of which is what we talk about in most cases when we are doing Zoom lessons. given the fact of this candle right here, it was, to me, it was a good confirmation that we are going down. So we sold here, and the market shot up. Look what happened. It shot up, creating that big wick, and then continue going down as we anticipated. So this one really hurt me. It did hurt me so much, because we were looking to capitalize at least more on this one to recover the losses that we have made on this position right here. So the market kept on going down, but it went out first, took us out first, and then continued going down. So I was like, okay, it's fine. We lost, guys. Losing, we can lose, we can win. Losing is part of the trade, you know, because in most cases we talk about the profits that we are making instead of also sharing the losses that we are making on the market. We are making losses as part of the lesson, but then one thing that we shouldn't do is to give up on whatever that we are doing. So yeah, we took this loss, and the only thing that we won, it was Nasdaq and also the AUDUSD, because we saw this move, and then we were like, okay, like we forgot about it. Then FOMC came out positive, it shot back here and then got us out on a take profit. Overall, I've made some profits, although I feel like my people, especially those who are new to premium, imagine you are new to premium group, and then at the same time you're getting signals that are putting your account on negatives. That is something that it made me feel like, okay, this is really not happening. Like it gave me some sort of a doubt of like, am I really doing the right thing? What is happening? But then I know that whenever you are having people who understand the risk management, obviously those people made money. But the other thing is that people will just come to you and then enroll for a signal. Then the first week you receive negatives, like losses after losses, losses after losses, losses after losses, and they will tend to be like, you do not know your story. And here's one thing I want to ask, guys: why is it that whenever we are winning, we are quick to jump to Instagram, but then whenever we are losing, we are quick to also jump to Instagram, and with different things? You know, here's the problem. If I teach you something and you master it, or maybe you see light in it, you quickly jump to Instagram, you take those popular mentors, you be like, yo, this and this and this and this and this helped me. I see that. I could see, oh, this is the person I taught. This is the person I actually helped to attain this kind of knowledge, you know. But then at the same time, that the very same person is praising someone out there. But when we are losing, you are also quick to go to Instagram and tag the right person at this time. You be like, yo, this and this mentor, or this and this institution made me to lose this much. You know, we shouldn't just be like that, guys. We should know that there are things happening in the market. We can lose, we can win. Whatever that you are doing, you need to also be disciplined. Being disciplined in the market is a very important thing that one should have. Discipline is very important. Once you master being disciplined, you will understand how to carry out this kind of days where you are facing with some losses. According to me, I did not lose, but to people who do not understand how risk management works, they have lost. And I shouldn't just be like, I didn't lose, so I'm not going to talk about it. I need to talk about it. Either I win or I lose. I still need to talk about it and share this information so that you will understand how important is risk management. So I hope you have stayed up until this very end. This was very long, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button. I really appreciate people like you. The giveaway is still up. The giveaway is still running. A video will come up with more information on how to enter. I love you. It's your boy Ernest Mampana, and cheers.